Today, India finds itself enveloped in profound sorrow as we mourn the loss of our beloved He-Man of Bollywood, Dharmendra. His warm smile, the twinkle in his eyes, and the simplicity that defined him resonated deeply with each one of us. His music and performances left an indelible mark on our hearts. I had the privilege of interviewing him prior to the release of Yamla Pagla Deewana Phir Se in September 2018. A memory that I will always cherish forever. That was the last film he did with both his sons together, Sunny Deol as well as Bobby Deol. Though he may no longer be with us, the performances he gave will forever remain alive in our hearts. He will always be Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas. Take a look. And welcome. In the 1980s, a list of most smashingly handsome men on earth was drawn. Featuring on that list was this gentleman.
Oh, thank you.
Our very own He-Man, who has charmed generations of cinegoers. In fact, people flaunt their proximity to him by calling him Dharam Paji. And today, we are honored to have with us Dharmendra ji. Welcome to our show, sir.
Thank you, dear. Thank you very much.
Sir, may I please request you to introduce your team of Yamla Pagla Deewana Phir Se for our viewers.
Sure. Sunny, Bobby, Kriti, come over. आपकी preparation थोड़ी late थी. Timing set
You
नहीं
already
हुई.
told me that you are not going to dance. I was like, ठीक है.
So sweet.
Dharam ji, what keeps you going? 58 years into the industry. 58 years ago, you made your first film, and today you're here with us, part of the star cast of Yamla Pagla Deewana Phir Se. Telling cinema, Dil Bhi Tera, Hum Bhi Tere.
Yeah, it is. You see, actually, मैं कई बार पहले भी कह चुका हूँ कि this is not my profession. It's my beloved. ये महबूबा मेरी. ये रूठती है मैं मना लेता हूँ, मैं रूठता हूँ ये मना लेती है. तो 52 years में सिलसिला चलता आ रहा है. आपने भी देखा होगा, ups down जिंदगी में आते हैं. I was dying to be an actor. And I love to live as an actor as long as I can. So this is a passion, this is a feel for me. I love it. So अभी यमला पगला तक आए हैं आज फिर से. तो ये वक्त के हिसाब से जो कुछ करना पड़ता है हम करते हैं. Because मैं चाहता हूँ लोगों के दिलों में रहूँ. मुझे शोहरत का भी शौक नहीं, मुझे पैसे का भी शौक नहीं इतना. तो I want to live in the heart of people. And there is no other way. ये कैमरा बहुत प्यारी चीज है. ये पहुंचा देता है आपको. So इसीलिए मैं आज हूँ.
Kriti, you know, you're sitting next to the Deol family. In total, these three have 116 years of cinema into their lives. Was it scary? Were you scared when you were working with them on the sets of Yamla Pagla Deewana Phir Se?
I wouldn't say scared. I was a little intimidated.
Okay. Who intimidated you the most? Dharam ji, Sunny or Bobby?
Before I met them, all three of them. After meeting them, only Sunny sir.
Why? Any incident that you want to share with our viewers?
No, there was no incident. It's just that it took longer to break the ice with him. Because like he said, he's very shy. He's very reserved. But he has a very wicked sense of humor, and it takes some time to like catch on to it, to understand that he's joking. And the thing is, we've seen him say those dialogues like "2.5 kilo ka haath," and I've seen him in Gadar and things like that. So I had an image about him, and that is like now there's no such intimidation. But initially, before meeting them, all three, after meeting them,
It is because we know what's the feeling of a newcomer with us. She has worked already. So I remember when I was a newcomer, people used to give me love. It gives you so much pep, it give you strength. You come out more and more. So it was my feeling, she is the baby of our family, our unit. So we all wanted her to be just with us. We never give any feeling to anybody that we are something, we are that, we are nothing. We are just equal to each other. So everybody feels nice with us.
Talking about your experience in the industry so far, 58 years. Dileep Saab, tragedy king. Raj Kapoor, the commoner. Dev Saab, flamboyant. You did the correct man in Satyakam. Comedy in Chupke Chupke. Period drama, Dharamveer. You were a silent romantic as well. Anupama. And then Sholay. Which one is closest to Dharmendra in real life? Which of these characters?
You have explained me which I never thought I will ever tell about myself. These few pictures, what you said, they all are good. I can't say which is the best. Soul is Satyakam, body is Dharamveer. And what is else?
Anupama, silent romantic.
To see a girl like that. And then what?
Dharamveer.
I said, Dharamveer has the soul of Satyakam and he is always in search of some Anupama.
Chupke Chupke.
And that is, I do even Chupke Chupke.
Okay.
I trace Anupama Chupke Chupke.
But, you know, tell us for our viewers, these are diametrically opposite roles, genres that you have actually done. How could you really so easily slip into these kind of roles?
I don't know, I am blessed with some kind of a thing in me. I'll simply explain, I'm a very emotional person. An emotional person reacts very fast. To me, acting is reaction. So I react, किसी को चोट लगी है तो अरे बेचारे को पकड़ो पकड़ो, किसी को ये हुआ तो I react fast. किसी ने कुछ कहा बुरा बोला कहा तेरी वो भी you see I react very fast. So यहाँ रिएक्शन की जरूरत पड़ती है तो मुझे बहुत तकलीफ होती नहीं. कॉमेडी में विटी था, शरारती था बचपन में बहुत, ऑल काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स विच एक एक्टर में होनी चाहिए सब थी मुझ में. तो उनको डेवलप तो करने में मुश्किल नहीं पड़ता और सिचुएशन के हिसाब से मैं उसको प्रो लेता था.
When your father had already become a superstar, out of the two of you, who used to flaunt in school that I am Dharmendra's son?
See, as I said earlier, the upbringing we've got is thanks to our grandmother.
Yeah.
She was a selfless woman. She taught us to be grounded, and that's what our fathers taught us. So we have never taken advantage of being his son.
Even I, don't say I feel shy, it doesn't come out of me, I am Dharmendra. I am still a struggle, I am still a boy from the village. उसमें मैं उसका बेटा हूँ, उसमें बात छोटी हो जाती है.
Dharamji, you have not only been a popular star, in fact your popularity helped you become a member of parliament as well. Were you ever tempted to rejoin politics?
No. I'll never join. I'm a bit emotional and I belong to everybody. In politics you get divided, you are one-sided. And though people love me a lot, my things were done, what I have done for my constituency is I can bet in that 5 years no other MP has done so much with my, and that's because I was Dharmendra and everybody, even all the ministers used to love me. Do what you want, we'll do it. So many things I have done, but it's not, then I was always worried more than my home. I was worried about Bikaner. I used to be sleepless कि यार वो करना है, ये करना है, so many things. Ladies ने अपनी चेन उतार के डाल दी मुझे जब मैं गया campaign के लिए. They was just like, I can't explain, so emotional. Dharmji, now everything will be fine, this. So I was more worried for those people, those who loved me and gave me the vote.
तब की पॉलिटिक्स में और अब की पॉलिटिक्स में कितना फर्क आ
पॉलिटिक्स
गया?
ऑलवेज ए पॉलिटिक्स।
पर कितना फर्क आ गया है? जो डिस्कोर्स पहले होता था
आज की
अब
जनरेशन
होता
में
था।
आ रहा है, इट्स नो टू रूड, टू द पॉइंट। पहले एक दूसरे का लिहाज रखना, बात करने से पहले सोचना, कोई भी हो तो उसको किस ढंग से बुलाना है, किस ढंग से करना है। अब तो नॉट ओनली इन पॉलिटिक्स, एवरीवेयर थिंग्स हैव चेंज सो मच।
आपको बुरा लगता है टीवी में देख के कि किस तरह से प्राइम मिनिस्टर के बारे में बोला जाता है, वो नीच किस्म के
कोई भी
आदमी
किसी
हैं?
के बारे में बुरा बोलता है
और
तो
कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट के बारे में बोला जाता है कि वो पप्पू हैं। इस तरह की जो
नहीं, I
बातें
don't
होती
say
हैं,
I
any
think,
word.
but both on we only in media, we all talking all this thing and making it into anything. I think it's high time we all really took our responsibility of
Let's
making
talk
our
about
country
Yamla
good,
Pagla today.
making
Yes.
country good, and that's why we are doing films like Yamla Pagla Divana, which has nothing of any politics, which has nothing of anything, but it is of happiness of a family and how you can be happy and forget every damn thing.
मैं वो एक चीज कहता हूँ, एवरीबॉडी हो, दोज हु आर लिसनिंग मी, हम भारत को भारत माँ कहते हैं। माँ समझना शुरू कर देंगे तो बहुत फर्क पड़ जाएगा। जैसे हमारी माँ की तरफ कोई देखेगा, आंख निकाल लेंगे, हाथ तोड़ देंगे, माँ को सजाएंगे, उसको लूटेंगे नहीं। विल डू एवरीथिंग फॉर आवर मदर, विल गेट हर गुड क्लोथ्स, विल डेकोरेट हर बेटर देन एनी मदर इन द वर्ल्ड।
if today a movie is made on Dharmendra ji, I know you have said no to a biopic on you, but if at all you change your mind tomorrow, who do you think will be the right actor who can do justice?
I'll become younger, I'll go and get myself treated properly, and so many things are done. Then I'll play it myself.
There's so much of special effects around, we can do that.
I will live it.
When you see perhaps a Hrithik Roshan dancing today, do you feel, wish I also could?
Later, I started thinking I should have learned dancing also, but those days it was not. People never used to like a dancer person. So, मैं उसी में रहा. So, but there are now every hero is a good dancer, and I admire them a lot. Everybody, Salman. I think they're good dancers.
I know we are completely running out of time, but I want to end with a very small game with you. I'll give you the names of classics of yesteryears and the actors of today. You will have to cast in them. Who do you think among the actors of today can play Akbar and Salim in Mughal-e-Azam if there is a remake?
Today, पहले तो अकबर ढूंढना पड़ेगा। वो पापा जी ने बहुत अच्छा किया। सलीम तो बहुत मिल जाएंगे।
कोई एक नाम।
सलीम तो गली गली है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के। सलमान कैन प्ले।
Gurudutt in Pyasa?
सनी कैन प्ले।
Okay. That's a compliment, Sunny. Dharmendra in Satyakam.
Again, Sunny can play it.
Okay. Dharmendra in Chupke Chupke.
Bobby can play.
Okay. Jai Veeru in Sholay.
Salman can play.
And
Hrithik is also good. He can also play.
last question. Have you ever toyed with the idea of perhaps having a remake of Sholay with you and Amitabh together?
No. It's whether we, Amit, anybody, Sholay should not be made because Sholay can never be made.
I think we shouldn't touch any classics.
Some
We should never
such
touch
things, you somewhere miss something, then you say, oh yaar, क्यों इसको हुआ है? तो उसका जो charm, what we have given, you don't get back same. पहले पैक का जो नशा होता है उसमें चार मार जाओ मजा नहीं आता.
Thank you very much, Dharamji, Sunny,
sweet. Nice
Bobby,
to be with
Kriti.
you.
Thank you. It was a pleasure to
Good
have you on the show.
Love you.
And we
God.
wish you good luck for your upcoming film, Yamla Pagla Divana.
So
फिर से.
sweet. We
And
need
we
it.
look forward to see you in the next one as well.
Okay, thank you.